Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create and send invoice on Square. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for squareup.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be sent to your account's dashboard. Here, click on the Invoices feature from the left side menu and a new window will load up. On this web page, scroll down a little bit and select the Create Invoice embed from here. Now, click on the Add a Customer button at the top and either select an existing customer or just create a new one by clicking on this button. Once the customer is selected, you will be required to enter the invoice title, message, and things like due date. After you are done with that, all you need to do is go to the Listings tab, select your target service, enter the amount, and then select the preferred payments options. Once satisfied, click on the preview button to get the wind of how it looks. Now you just need to cross it and then click on the send button to actually send it. So that's basically how you can create and send invoice on Square. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.